Hello. Uh, to import the Sublime Text shortcut keys, you have to install Sublime Text on your system. So if you check mine, you can see that I have Sublime Text already installed in my system. So what you have to do here is come to the welcome screen. So if you don't have the welcome screen open, you can just click here and then click on welcome here on the screen. You can see, if you look here at this side of the screen, you can see it says settings and key bindings. So install the settings and key bindings and keyboard shortcuts for whatever you have installed. So if you click on Sublime Text, you can see I already have it clicked. So there's absolutely no way it's going to install it over again because I already installed it. So you should click on this and then it should start the installation. And I don't know, but maybe you might also want to have internet connections to run this, and that should be it.